So this is your numerical. We have a 100 MVA synchronous generator which is operating at full load. That means 100 MVA at a frequency of 50 hertz. The load is suddenly reduced to 50 megawatt. That means new load is your 50 megawatt. And your steam valve will operate after 0.4 second. Now we have to determine what is the change in the frequency which will be occurring during this period. And we have given that H for this system is 5 kilowatt second per kVA. So now to solve it, first we have to find out what is the kinetic energy stored in generator and turbine. So H is given, and because system is operating at 100% full load, that means 100 MVA, so it will be 5 into 100 into 1000. H is your 5 kilowatt per second per kVA, and we have multiplied it with 100, and because it is MVA, so we have converted into kVA by multiplying 1000, so it will become 5 into 10 raised to power 5 kilowatt per second. Now the excess energy, excess power input to the generator before steam valve begins to close. Because your load is suddenly reduced to 50 megawatt, but we have not changed the position of steam valve due to this time lag. So we have excess power which will be given, and that will be equal to 50 megawatt. Because 50 megawatt is power which we have reduced. So from 100 it will reduce to 50 megawatt. So, and your steam valve operate at 0.4 second. So the input which is provided during this 0.4 second is excess energy in 0.4 second will become 50 into kilowatt में convert कर दिया, तो that is 50 into 1000 into duration, that is 0.4, that will become 20,000 kilowatt per second. Now, as you all know, that is static kinetic energy is proportional to frequency square. So frequency at end of 0.4 second will be 50 into excess power which we have given. 50 is your 50 megawatt is your load, and excess power which we have supplied is 500 plus 20 kilowatt, and then it is, and it will come out to be 51 hertz. This is your kinetic energy which is stored in this system, that is 5 into 10 raised to power 5 plus excess energy which I have provided in the system, because it is load has dropped, reduced. So it will be plus. If load is increased, then it will be minus. So plus divided by rated into 50, the actual load of the system, and that is half because it is frequency square. So it will come out to be 51 hertz. So generally when we are talking about this system, we have sharing of the load. So generally the question which comes is about the sharing of the load. So we have two generators with rating 200 megawatt and 400 megawatt. The droop characteristic is 4% and 5%. 4% and 5% from no load to full load. Assume that the generator are operating at 50 hertz at no load. And now, how would load of 600 megawatt be shared between them? What will be the system frequency at this load? So that means now we consider that load on generator 1 will be X megawatt and load of generator 2 will be 600 minus X megawatt. Because we have to share 600 megawatt load, so one will be taking X load and second will be taking 600 minus X. Now we consider reduction in frequency will be delta F. So if you remember, the droop characteristic of each unit delta F by X will be 0.04 into 50 divided by 200, and delta F upon 600 minus X will be 0.05 into 50 upon 400. This is R. 50 is your frequency at which they are operating and 200 is your rated capacity of this generator. So that is delta F upon X will be 0.04 into 50 by 200, and delta F upon 600 minus X, that is load on second, will be 0.05 into 50 upon 400. Because they both are having different ratings. If the ratings are same, then we can directly solve it. So now we have two characteristics, two equations, this and this. So we will put delta F from this to this, we will get X. So we get 600 minus X divided by X equal to, इसको इससे डिवाइड कर दिया तो that is 600 minus X divided by x will be equal to delta f से delta f cancel. So this will become 0.04 into 50 divided by 200 into 400 divided by 0.05 into 50. 50 से 50 cancel, point से point cancel. तो ये हो गया 4 into 2, 8 divided by 5. 600 minus x divided by x equal to 8 by 5. So that means your x will come out to be 231 megawatt, and 600 minus x will be 369 megawatt. This will be your generator 1 load and this will be your generator 2 load. Now your system frequency will be 50 minus 0.04 into 50 upon 200 into 231. ये x की वैल्यू 231, तो 50 माइनस, क्योंकि डेल्टा एफ था तो उसको माइनस कर दिया, तो दिस विल कम आउट टू बी 47.69 हर्ट्ज. This is how load sharing numericals has been done. So now you have to do a numerical. Question is, two turbo alternators rated 110 megawatt and 210 megawatt have governor drop characteristic of 5% from no load to full load. They are connected in parallel to share a load of 250 megawatt. Determine the load shared by each machine assuming free governor action. This numerical you have to do and reply me in the chat the answer. So I'm writing for your reference 110 megawatt, 210 megawatt, 5%, 5%, and total load 250 megawatt. So as we will be considered load by 1 is x, and load by second will be 250 minus x. So if we do as we have done in the previous case, delta F by x for generator 1 will be equal to 0.05 into frequency at full load. It is not specified, so I will be taking it as F1 divided by rating, that is 110, and generator 2 will be delta F by 250 minus x. It will come out to be 0.05 into F1, because at same frequency they will operate 2 trend. So again we will be divide this, we will get 250 minus x upon x equal to 0.05 into F1 divided by 110 into 210 upon 0.05 into F1. ये कैंसिल आउट हो गया, ये कैंसिल आउट हो गया, ये हो गया 21/11. So when you solve it, you get x1 equal to 85.94. So x will be 85.94, and this is for generator 1, and for generator 2 it will be 250 minus x, that means 164.06 megawatt. इसके आसपास है जिसने 85.9 लिखा है या 86 लिखा है, वो भी लगभग सा सही है, क्योंकि अप्रोक्सीमेशन इतना अलाउड हो सकता है. But generally try when numerical is solved, you are solving numerical, try to get the answers in 2 digits, after 2 digits. 85.9 के आगे जितना भी है 93 या 94 जिसने भी किया है, that is correct. तो 85.93 लिया है तो ये 164.07 हो जाएगा. So this is how this will be solved. So one more numerical I am giving to you. A 100 MVA 50 Hertz turbo alternator operates at no load at 3000 RPM. A load of 25 megawatt is suddenly applied to the machine, and the steam valve to the turbine comes to open after 0.6 seconds due to time lag in the governor system. Assuming inertia constant H of 4.5 kilowatt second per kVA, calculate the frequency to which the generator voltage drop before the steam flow comes to increase to meet the new load. That means the rating of system is 100 MVA, 50 Hertz, speed running at no load is 3000 RPM. Load of 25 megawatt is applied, and steam valve open after 0.6 seconds, and H is given as 4.5 kilowatt per second, sorry, kilowatt second per kVA. And now you have to find out F.